ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashaphi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
This is Neo. Listen, I have some amazing news. I will be performing in India for the very first time. My maiden performance will be at the Cherry Blossom Festival, November 18th in Shillong. I expect to see you there. Go get your tickets right now. Roxy Tickets. Go get them.
Grab somebody sexy, tell them, hey, give me everything.
Kasing Claret Seminary, kebadan Hakashnong Snem Ribhoi District, Klakkinjo Shakajinga Lynti ke Arpusan Snem Kinti ban ajing hikai yaki samma shinrang naki longyeng longsem jong ki runget ke balang Catholic ki basngap yaki jingkhot jong Sohblei na kebentaban long ki Lyngdoh Sohblei hak beri sok wan utrai hak jing pen hak perda yaki ne jing rakhi ke Arpusan Snem ke belalong hak khap pratrik unai weng arja arpulai las dang da mas ba khoi bla penmenta du bishop jong ka jelanyam nongston umos Reverend Wilbert Marwen haringkat ke jing senalang jung bishop jang jalan yam joai umos Reverend Ferdinand Dakar lambat ki weipat ki Lyngdoh Sohblei ki bekintop ye provincial superior province jang North East India Reverend Father Pius Turuthiel superior jang Saint Claret Seminary Snem Reverend Father Tommy Akapadikal parish priest jang parish Snem Reverend Father Pius Shadap bat ki wei kumban penkan mau hangni ye ke Saint Claret Seminary Snem Belaseng haus nam kat kandai spak kandai pupra kedekawai ni ki jaka puli jeng ki samna shinrang jeng ka balang Catholic ki ba ang nur banlong ki Lyngdoh Sohblei bat hak ni ke jinga Lynti ke ba Arpusan Snem nak ni ke seminary ki lami bon ngot ki samna shinrang ki belalong ki Lyngdoh Sohblei ki ba syakri hak beri sok wan utrai
The celebration of the year of Silver Jubilee was opened on 19th November 2022 by His Grace Most Reverend Victor Lyngdoh, the Archbishop of Shillong, in the presence of very many clericians, well-wishers, friends, and the leaders and the faithful here. It's a memorable event, a landmark, and therefore we have every reason to celebrate it. I wish the formation team, all students and staff of this seminary, God's blessings and happy Silver Jubilee.
Fathers, priests, religious, we work for the church in our own talents that God has given to us. And all of us are beautiful like these flowers. We have different colors, all of us black and white or gray, but we grow together. Let us pray especially for the peace in the world, especially what we are looking and seeing now. There's a problem and a war all over. Let's pray. Let us continue to grow together and stand together in the Lord. The passion that a Holy Father is calling for is that enthusiasm which wells up from the heart, an eye that always sees the positive first. One is reminded of the ABBA song group. You give us the song, I Have a Dream. Our Jewish ancestors always took advantage of a Jubilee year to make a fresh start on their pilgrimage. May today be for all of you a new beginning, a fresh start with your eyes firmly fixed on goal, like true Olympians. We are all praying for you and for you. We are praying with you and for you. For on the night he was betrayed, he himself took bread, and giving you thanks, he said the blessing, broke the bread, and gave it to his disciples, saying, Take this, all of you, and eat of it, for this is my body, which will be given up for you. In a similar way, when supper was ended, he took the chalice, and giving you thanks, he said the blessing, and gave the chalice to his disciples, saying, Take this, all of you, and drink from it, for this is the chalice of my blood, the blood of the new and eternal covenant, which will be poured out for you and for many for the forgiveness of sins. Do this in memory of me. The mystery of faith.